Welcome to the Weather Center. Cloud and rainy weather is expected this Friday for much of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, maybe spilling into parts of Gauteng and the eastern areas of the northwest. Over the western areas, we're going to see light rain for the first part of your Friday along the west coast and the adjacent interior, and that's ahead of this cold front that is speeding towards our shores. Then this afternoon, we will once again see isolated thundershowers across the bulk of the interior, and in the evening, this cold front will bring us light rain into the southwest coastline, spreading into the south coast as we head towards midnight. Now this Friday you can expect isolated thundershowers extending from the northern Cape down into the eastern Cape and maybe spilling into western KwaZulu-Natal. Up to 60% chance of rainfall is forecast over northeastern South Africa as well as along the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. We have a warning for high fire danger issued by the South African Weather Service for your Friday across much of the northern Cape and the northeastern sections of the western Cape. We are expecting partly cloudy, dry and warm weather for the bulk of the northwest, where a high of 28 is forecast for Mahikeng. It's going to be cloudy and rainy across much of Limpopo, spilling into the northeastern sections of Gauteng and also pushing down into much of Mpumalanga. Highs of around 27 are forecast for Johannesburg, Pretoria and also around Mbombela. Thundershowers are forecast for the western areas of the Free State and the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be pretty unsettled for much of the eastern Cape with hot temperatures in most areas. Bishop peaking at around 37 degrees. Mostly sunny and hot weather is forecast for Richards Bay and Durban. Fresh to strong northeasterlies are forecast along the KZN coastal areas. A strong breeze also for Port Elizabeth. Thundershowers are forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London. We're also going to see thundershowers in places over the southern Cape areas, but it's going to be mostly sunny for the interior of the western Cape. Light rain as we go towards Worcester, where a high of 27 is expected. We could also see thundershowers around Jeffreys Bay. Otherwise, it's going to be dry for much of the south coast, where fresh to strong winds are forecast. Light rain for Hermanus as well as around Muizenberg. Thundershowers are forecast over much of the northern Cape, 37 for the high in Appington. Cape Town should also see light rain. Similar weather for Langaban, where a high of 25 is expected. Cape Town should warm to around 24 degrees. Rain and thundershowers persist on Saturday for much of eastern South Africa. We will continue to see light rain over the south and the west coast.